Greetings. Welcome to Mentor Mike's Market Movie for Friday, February 21st, 2014. Let's get started. You are all cordially invited to Mentor Mike Bridges' free 4-hour open house of my live S&P EMINI trading room. You can trade side by side with me for 4 hours in real time for free. This is on Wednesday, February 26th. 2014 from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Pacific time, and what you see after that is the link at GoToMeeting where you can register to be a participant. Now, if you want to come to the open house and you haven't already registered, you better get at it, because I checked just a little while ago and there are less than 18 openings left, and I expect those to fill up probably before Wednesday for sure. So if you want to go, make sure you're registered and tell any friends that you have who'd like to go that they should do the same. Okay, now, at next Wednesday's open house, I'll have several important announcements about the trading room, when it will open, and how it will be incorporated into my mentoring course going forward. The trading room will definitely be open only to current and former students. But before you assume you can't afford my mentoring course, remember that you will have a real chance to earn your tuition by trading live with me and a room full of supported, like-minded fellow students. Now, let's take a look at today's trading. This is a screen capture from earlier this morning from my live dedicated computer. And at this time, a little after 7 a.m., I'd taken 3 trades and had already earned over $1,063 precisely with my 9-contract, 3-target peeling off strategy, and net of a $6 per contract transaction cost. But one of the problems with being a host of a trading room or a mentor is that you're expected to fill up the time with activity. So I continued to trade. Now, if I'd just been left to my own devices, I would have taken that $1,000 and gone and done something else with this beautiful Friday here in Southern California. But instead, this is what happened. I continued to trade right up to the end, and I ended up with a net of $293.50. Now, that's the result of a couple of losing trades and a couple of missed trades. Now, this trade was just a plain old fake out, followed the signals, and it just didn't go where I wanted it to go. This one was more my fault. I stayed in it a little bit too long, so it goes to show you even I can still make dumb mistakes. And then these two, I had to be away from my post for a while, and I missed 2 back-to-back trades that probably would have been worth at least probably a couple of targets each, but still managed to make 4 basic errors and end up in the black. So oftentimes judging our performance isn't just all about the bottom line. It's inevitable that we're going to have some losing trades and some fake outs, but how we can handle it then and still finish relatively unscathed, that's the important part. And that's what you're going to learn with me in the trading room if you become my student. Now, continuing on, here's the stretched out version of today. If you want to pause this, you can take a closer look at the signals that I used and the signals that I missed. And this was the screen capture from the screen sharing demo program. Also made the 1063 after the first 3 trades. And then later on, I got some worse fills on some of these trades. So my finish there was just $43.50. But again, it sure beats the alternative. And here we are back to the beginning. So despite the mishaps today, I still haven't had a losing day since I've been showing you these since the beginning of February. So I think we're going to have a lot of fun and do some good trading on Wednesday at the open house. And you're also going to find out a lot about how it's going to all work going forward. So if you got any designs on participating, be sure to be there, be sure to register, Everybody have a great weekend, and I'll probably be back with more Market Movie on Monday the 24th. Thanks. Bye-bye.